At Kiefer and Kiefer, we oftentimes get calls from clients who are involved in accidents that have pre-existing conditions. And the question that they always ask us is, can I make a claim if I had pre-existing conditions before an accident? The answer is resoundingly yes. In Louisiana, there's a law called the Eggshell skull rule. And what that essentially means is somebody who causes an accident takes their victim as they find them. It is not a defense to your negligence that somebody had pre-existing conditions. That doesn't get you an out-of-jail-free card, okay? There's really three ways that we see pre-existing conditions affected by an accident. The first way is if you had a pre-existing condition and you might not have even known it. It wasn't causing you any symptoms. It wasn't causing you any pain. For example, a lot of people have disc herniations in their back. They wouldn't even know it because they have absolutely no problems with it. But an accident happens and it causes those conditions to become painful. That's one way that you can make a claim for an accident. The second way is if you're having conditions that are causing you pain, but the pain after an accident is worse. For example, if before an accident you're at a 4 out of 10 of your back pain, and all of a sudden after the accident, you're at a 10 out of 10. The tortfeasor, the person responsible for the accident, is going to be liable for the extent of the aggravation. The third way that we see these injuries manifest is if you have, let's say you just have 4 out of 10 back pain and all of a sudden an accident happens and now your symptoms change. You have shooting pain going down your legs, which is called radiculopathy. Sometimes we see situations where our clients are forced to have surgery after an accident when before an accident their life was fine. They were exercising, they were enjoying their kids, but an accident pushed them over the edge and caused them to have major back surgeries. It's important when you're dealing with a case where you might have a question about an aggravation of a pre-existing condition to hire an attorney who understands what they're doing, who understands your medical landscape, who has experience with cases like this. We've seen time and time again people hire attorneys who do not know what they're doing and don't understand the intricacies of this case. And unfortunately, what happens in those events is they sell your case short. Call us if you have questions about whether your condition was aggravated in an accident. Those consultations are always free.